Demirjian method. Dental age estimation in children based on the assessment of a maturity score of the lower left permanent mandibular teeth. Lower left maxillary and mandibular teeth and the lower left permanent mandibular teeth except third molar using an orthopantomogram, that is Demirjian method. Lamentine method. Periodontosis and translucency of root are taken into consideration for estimation of age at death for adult by analyzing single-toothed teeth considered better than Gustafsson method. Mills method. Amount of wear on all permanent molars assessed for age estimation. Mills are also developed a formula to determine age at death by measuring the thickness of the enamel and dentine from a neonatal line and divided it by daily rates of formation. Histological technique. Amount of dentine laid down after the formation of the neonatal line, incremental line in deciduous dentition by counting of cross striation and striae of rectices in primary and secondary enamel may helpful in finding the chronological age. Once enamel deposits are complete, the use of cemental annulation rings can be used. Aspartic acid racemization during the course of aging. L forms of amino acid in crown dentine are transformed by racemization to D form. Thus, the extent of racemization of amino acid may be used to estimate the age of all amino acid. Aspartic acid racemization is most commonly used for age estimation. Radiocarbon analysis of tooth enamel method to determine the year of tooth formation based on the level of radiocarbon present in a tooth enamel. So, Demirjian method, Lamentine method, Mills method, histological technique, aspartic acid racemization, radiocarbon analysis of tooth enamel. Demirjian, LD, Lamentine method, Mills, MLD, Mills method, histological technique, aspartic acid racemization, radiocarbon analysis of tooth enamel. Thank you.